Hey there guys, let's have a chat about something that's often brushed under the carpet, erectile dysfunction or ED. It's more common than you think, affecting millions of men worldwide. But today, we're diving into whether vitamin D and zinc can actually help in managing or even curing ED. First off, let's talk about vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin. It's crucial for overall health. Recent studies suggest that vitamin D deficiency might be linked to erectile dysfunction. Why? Well, vitamin D plays a significant role in endothelial function. Basically, that's how well your blood vessels work. Healthy blood flow is essential for strong erections. So, if you're low on vitamin D, it might be impairing your vascular health and, in turn, your performance in the bedroom. But before you run out to buy vitamin D supplements, remember this. Balance is key. Too much vitamin D can be harmful. Always speak with your doctor to get your levels checked and get a personalized recommendation. Now, on to zinc. This mineral is a powerhouse for men's health. It's crucial for testosterone production, which is vital for libido and erectile function. Studies have shown that men with low zinc levels often have lower testosterone, which could lead to ED. Adding zinc to your diet might help boost your testosterone levels and improve your erections. Good sources include red meat, shellfish, and legumes. But just like with vitamin D, moderation is key. Too much zinc can lead to nausea and other health issues. So talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. It's important to remember that while vitamin D and zinc can support your sexual health, they're not magic bullets. ED can have various causes, including stress, anxiety, or underlying health conditions like diabetes or heart disease. A healthy lifestyle, balanced diet, regular exercise, and managing stress are all part of the equation. In summary, vitamin D and zinc might play a role in managing ED, but they're just pieces of the puzzle. Always consult with a healthcare professional to get to the root of the problem. Don't be afraid to talk about it. ED is a common issue, but with the right approach, it's manageable. Stay informed, stay healthy, and as always, take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on men's health. See you next time.